Hi, my name is Elizabeth. I'd like to share with you my experience with Saperstein Salomon. One of the reasons that I decided to go with this firm was because everyone was so caring. When I explained to Adam what had happened, and I was really distraught and not in a mental headspace to handle everything that was happening to me, he reassured me that they would handle everything and I didn't have to worry about anything and I could just focus on healing and getting better. They were very, very compassionate and they really understood what I was going through, because there were times when I was complaining about being in so much pain, and they were very understanding. They were very supportive. So that was really mentally, I guess, and psychologically really helpful. I've got Adam's number on speed dial. You need to call him because he will handle everything. Like, there were things that I would even have thought of that the firm was able to handle for me that I would have never thought of. So yeah, I would absolutely recommend them. I would say a big thank you. You guys are absolutely amazing, super creative. You just have like a sixth sense about like little details that made like a big difference. So yeah, you guys are awesome.